In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening an app code files that's already on your device. Then choose those three lines at the top left corner. Select Clean at the top. Hit Clean under Junk Files and tap on Clear in the pop-up. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!